Welcome to Escape Living. I love to entertain and have friends at home, but with so much going on and taking care of the kids, buying flowers or setting the table and doing a centerpiece sometimes just doesn't seem realistic. Therefore, at home, I love to have my magic number three vases that is in a set. And it can be any kind of style, country, glass, ceramic, or even metal. But the key is it has to come in 3 different pattern or texture and 3 different heights. And one more very important thing is the opening of the vase should be narrow, because when the vase is narrow, all you need is grab a couple flowers either in the garden or at the grocery store and put it in. You don't have to get a dozen or 2 dozen of flowers in order to decorate your vases. Inexpensive and easy. These are actually a couple flowers I had left over from my previous event, and I didn't throw them out, and they were still lying around the home and in full bloom and perfect for this occasion. So there I go, I put it in the vase and I have my centerpiece. Simple and easy, and all of a sudden the table won't go that empty, because for food sharing, too much flowers and too big of a centerpiece won't be appropriate anyway. So have a set of trio vases at home handy anytime, and you can have guests and friends over with a decorated table anytime, anywhere, whichever way you want.
I'm in love with you.